Hi everyone. You may have noticed we have been fairly quiet on YouTube for a few weeks. There has been a good reason for that. I would like to welcome you all to WineKraft. So WineKraft is the combination of the last year of moving all of our business when we had to shut Good Brothers down online with Good Brothers to Go. We've developed there a fantastic little business that is serving so many people in Edinburgh. But with Good Brothers reopening and Little Rascal reopening in the next couple of weeks, we needed somewhere to put it. And that's what we found here at number 6 Brandon Terrace, Canonmills, right in the heart of Edinburgh. It's so close to home for me. I was brought up the roads. It's half a mile from my home at the moment. This is such a thriving community and we are so thrilled to be here. But what is WineKraft? Well, WineKraft is a bottle shop, it's a provision store, and it's a modern grocery. So we have all that fresh fruit and veg that we do online, we have it in store here as well. We have our provisions, we have all of the olives, all the cheeses, all the lovely deli stuff that we've been sending out around Edinburgh for the best part of 14 months. And of course, we have our wine. The cellars downstairs are now stacked full of over 600 different bottles. Don't be alarmed, we won't be putting all those on the shelves at one time. We're trying to keep it to about 120, 130 bottles, trying to keep it focused, trying to keep it really engaging and ever-changing. So no two visits here will be the same. And as you can probably see over my left shoulder, we have a tasting room. One of 2 we will have here in the near future. And what the plan is in there, Thursday, Friday, Saturday nights, 6, 8, 10 people in, enjoying people's company again in an environment that is not their own living room or a Zoom call. So, if you haven't been down already, come on down. We're here at 6 Brandon Terrace, Canonmills. We're open and we're waiting. As always guys, remember, drink better wine.